are going to illustrate you how to create a graphic and how you're going to do at least the basic steps when we are talking about creating a lead magnet. So we advise you to start using a tool called Canva. Canva is a very popular tool nowadays in terms of creating a design. Design can be anything, a social media post, a poster, anything. So here I have opened the home page of Canva, right? And here, if you don't have a Canva account, just go to canva.com, create your account as normally you do for a Gmail account or something like that. Put your email ID and get an account created. Right now you again have two versions here. One is the free version of Canva and another is a paid version in which we get better features. Here we are going to talk about the basic features of Canva which you can do without paying and without going for a paid subscription, right? So when you open the home page of Canva, it will be something like this, right? So this is the home page of Canva, and there you can see there is a button on the right hand side upper corner saying create a design, right? So when you click on this create a design, correct? So you will be asked to choose. So there are n number of options given here, like infographics, invoice, you can see there are so many. Let's say we have chosen infographics. Now the moment you click on infographics, there are multiple templates on the left pane you can see. Now there are multiple templates already been provided by Canva. Now you can select anyone. Let's say we chose this one, right? So the template automatically comes to your main editing page, which is saying like, let's say we have chosen the report one, correct? Now here you have options to edit all the elements in this particular thing. So let's say you want to change this image, go to photos, and you in the left pane you see multiple photos are there. Now from that photo you select one, you see that it is coming to the place where the image is, and you can automatically replace that. The moment you take that image to that particular section, it is already it is automatically getting replaced. Now what you need to do is you have to put your logo, because obviously you are using, let's say for example I'm using the logo for Facebook. So you have some pre fabricated, you can say, or pre-done logos which is prominently being done. But here what you need to do is don't use any Facebook logo, use your own company logo for which you are working, right? So there the logo, you know, is a branding thing, correct? So whenever you create any content on social media or you are going to do anything, obviously people should know who you are and what you are doing. So choose that logo, and you know, see, the editing of text is so simple. Just double click on this any of the text, you will be able to find and see how you are able to do the editing. Now let's say this element which is showing the $sign, this is an element which shows profit. So let's say I'm going to the element section in the left hand side and I'm putting profit. So you see the same image there. So if you click in here, you get the image here and you can place it anywhere depending upon your choice or the design element, however you are doing it. So there are n number of elements given. Based on your topic, based on your content, you can start creating. And if you want to delete it, you can just click it and right click and delete. It's very simple, very user friendly to use as well, right? Now if you see, there are multiple elements. Some infographic is there, some elements are there, some images are there, names are there. Let's say I want to edit the name of that particular person. I just double clicked it and you get an option and you start editing it. Just it's very useful tool. Let's say you want to change the color. So go to the section where you want to change the color. You will be having multiple options to change the color, as you said. And again, if you see, like again, I was talking about infographics. So there are a number of infographics, pictograms given, right? So choose any of the pictograms which you feel is good and going with your content, right? So excuse me. So these are things. Now what you need to do is you have to download this content. So there are two options. One is to download in a PDF format or in a JPG or image format. So you go to the share button, click it there, and there you need to click on the type of file which you want to download. Let's say if you want to create a PNG, a image format, select PNG and download. That's it. It is going to get downloaded in your download folder. Go to my computer's download, you'll see this image would be there. Now if you want to create a PDF file, right? So this is downloading, so it is taking some time to show. As I said, now this is, you see the file name is leadmagnet.png, correct? So this particular image has been downloaded into a PNG format. Now let's say that you want to download into a PDF format. So go to share, click in there, and when you click on download, again it will be asking to choose the file type. So choose PDF, right? So there are PDF print and PDF standard. Better to go over PDF print and download. So the moment you download, the same content is going to be downloaded in the PDF format, right? So that's it. It's very simple to use. And see, this is the PDF format of that particular element which we just did, correct? So this is very simple to use, and the moment you start using it, it will be even friendlier, I would say, to do this. So this is where you need to start from. So this is number one, where you want to go. Now let's come to the video part, right? That was the graphical part or the PDF part, right? Text, anyway, you can, create a Word document and do that. Now let's talk about videos. So for videos, what you need to do is, again, although Canva is a designing tool, but it has given an option to create edit videos as well. So what you need to do is go to create a design, select video. So you'll find a size of the video like that, this 1920 into 1080. This is the standard size of the video pixel, correct? So once you click on the video, you will be opening a screen, and there, whatever video you have made for your lead magnet, you have to go to upload media, uploads, then upload media, click on upload media and select the file which you have already created. Let's say you have recorded, right? So you have to upload that file here. So let's say we have already done multiple files which are already uploaded. So I'll just give you an example. So let's say I select this 28-second video which is already uploaded on my Canva, right? So the moment you click in here, it will come, put it as a set as desktop. So it will take the entire shape of the particular background, right? So it will be a full screen kind of a thing, correct? Now what you need to do is, your video is here. Now you have to do some branding again, correct? So what you need to do is, you need to split this entire video into multiple screens. That will help you doing editing faster and better and easier, I would say. So if you are a pro, without splitting also you can do that. But since you are a beginner, I assume that you are a beginner. So what you need to do is, you need to split. Let's say there is a drag and drop option here. You can see there is an arrow button which is pointing towards the downwards, right? So what you need to do is, let's say you want to have a particular section and you want to put your logo or something. Let's say, first of all, let's start putting a logo. So I go to my logo section where I have put in my image. I go to the upload sections where my logo is there. So this logo is there. The moment I click it, it is here. So now you can place it depending upon your choice. Wherever you want to place this logo, just place it there, right? Now this logo has been, now you can see, has been tuned for the entire video. So once you put it there, it is there in the entire video. Now you have to put some music, a soft music. So there could be multiple music options. Again, if you go to the left pane, you will be having an audio section, correct? In the audio section, you will see there are multiple options given, right? So choose the audio, choose the music which is best suiting to you. There is no hard and fast rule to it. See, it goes well with your content, right? And choose whatever you want to choose. So the moment you click, see the audio bar is coming here. That means you have selected an audio. So whenever people see your video, there will be a light music coming in, correct? And you can adjust the volume. So let's say you are speaking on a particular volume and the music should not be louder than what you are saying. So your voice should be properly audible to the audience. So set the volume after going into the volume section, and you can adjust the volume. Your volume should be higher and the background music should be softer and lighter, right? So here what you have done till now, you have added a logo and you have added a music as well. Your content is already there. Now what you need to do is, as I was saying, split these videos into multiple sections. If you want to insert any other component, let's say I splitted this entire video into first part, now into the second part. Now if you want, you can have multiple parts to it, right? Now let's say you want to insert something something on the particular video. Let's say I want to insert my name here, right? So I clicked on a template. There is a template already there. Just edit it, double click in, and let's say in place of that text which is saying Planet Arcadia, I'm putting my name, right? So it is as simple to do. So it is done. So on that particular section, you have done one part of where you have done editing. Now again, split it, and if you want to, let's say, put some other elements, whatever, it could be anything, right? Based on your choice. If you want to put some other element, you just split it here, and let's say you want to put money, you are talking about money. So let's say you selected an element which is saying profits or money. So there you get some infographics, you click it here and place that. So that is done, right? Similarly, based on the text which you are talking about, if you want to make, better for the audience to understand your content and get engaged, so keep this basic things in place so that it keeps on going. So this is what we have done as of now. We split it, the entire video remains the same, and we have done some elements added to it, right? We have put an logo, and we have also put a profit showing some money, right? So this is as simple as that. So once your editing is done, let's say this is a very small video, it's only a 28-second video, just for your reference. Now what you need to do is you need to download it. Again, similarly, go to share button and click on download. It will be asking again a file type. Since the video, select MP4 video, which is already saying suggested. Click in here and click on download button. So the moment you click on download button, this content start getting downloaded in a MP4 video format, right? And it's done. So your video, so this is one of the very basic tool to edit a video. Although I'm saying Canva is not preferably a video editing tool, but for you to start, I think this tool is one of the best tools which you can start with, right? So this is what we have downloaded, and rest is good to go. So that's it in this video. I'm going to see you in my next video with some other content. Stay connected. It's going to be fun and learning. Bye-bye.